What? Hey, buddy. Can you tell the kids what's in the incubator? What's in there? What's in? It's not penguin eggs. What kind of eggs? Baby eggs. From what, though? Oh, there he goes. You're going to hold it?
Put them on the table.
All right, guys. So this is
Careful.
the incubator.
There's 2 free ones. We don't want to break them.
And we got the eggs from the chickens. How many days ago, Braun?
Oh, about 0 to
Oops.
3 days ago.
So 0 to 3 days ago. Elliott's going to help put some eggs in.
What? Hold on. We got to move the lid. Don't spill the eggs off the table.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
They weren't. They were in 2 baskets.
Oh, good. All right. Go gentle, Elliott, okay? Put them in gently.
Go pointy side down.
Oh, did you need to date those?
Nope.
Good. Good work.
No. Careful.
Whoopsie.
One at a time.
Elliott, what do you have there? Tell everybody what it is.
What? What?
It's not a penguin egg. What do we have outside?
One at a time.
What do we have
One
outside?
egg at a time. You're going to break them. Pointy side down.
So this is a new incubator for us, guys. We used to have to turn the eggs all by ourselves, but supposedly this turns them. Do you know how?
It keeps rotating back and forth.
There we go.
There's a little motor right there that rotates them.
Good job, Al. So we're not growing baby penguins like Elliott says. We're growing baby chicks, right, Elliott? Chickens.
Nice work, Elliott. Good job.
Nice work. Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
All right, guys. This is what it looks like when it's going. The lid stays on it, and it stays at, what's the temperature?
99.5.
99.5. So in 21 days, we might see some eggs, or some chicks. Hi guys, so these are the eggs that are about to hatch, and if you listen closely you can hear the eggs peep. So I'm just going to turn off my voice and see if we can hear an egg peep. Hi Barbara, what's up? Trying to get an egg to peep. Oh, there it was.
Are you counting over there, Elliott? I hear you counting.
Oh, there's a peep.
Mr. 1, 2, 3, 4 man.
Oh, there's a lot of peeps. Somebody's gonna hatch today, I bet.
Well, it's on. Should be turning to day 1 at some point pretty soon.
That is cool. So guys, this egg has a little crack in it. I bet he's the one that's making all the peeping. See if he'll peep again. Guys, we got our first baby bird. It wasn't the one that I expected. I thought it was going to be this one because it has a crack. But if we look over here, this guy's about ready to come out. I should turn the camera on. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby chicken. He's so cute. Sing him a song, Elliott. Oh. Can you sing him a song? Oh, you're showing ballerina? Alright, I can't keep him out. Let's see if he'll move. This guy's been working as long as I've been up. It's about 11 o'clock. And he was working on coming out of his shell at like 7 o'clock this morning. And now he's starting to move a lot. Looks like he's taking a rest. Oh, there he goes. Here they are, guys. These are the chickens we got to hatch. Very cute. Hey, guys. Brody had to go get firewood. Who are you feeding? Elliott, who are you feeding? Good job, buddy. I think we're going to dump that in.